I might still be at the internet. Did I ever go anywhere? I might still be at the internet. Oh, alright. Well, that was an exciting little adventure. Turn my music back on. I blame the cat. Anyway. Oh, this died. Alright, hang on. I don't want to accidentally reveal something weird, so I'm going to turn part of this off for a second. 1 second. You guys can just look at me for a second here while I fix things. Sorry about this. Alright, that should do it. Good. Okay, we're back. Oh, it wouldn't... You wouldn't see it anyway because the way I got this set up, but hang on. Can I find that really fast? It's a picture I took, actually. It's that one of that ship near Cinecor for all the Cinecorians in the channel. I'm not using the cat face thing. That is an option. Anyway, I've been totally sidetracked here. We need to figure out what the hell's going on here. Did I double up? Yeah, that's what it is. I think that's exactly what it was. No, that wasn't it at all. Shit. I want to see this again. I want to see what sources we're doing for each iteration. So each iteration, each route, it's doing what we want. Top on London. Alright. This actually does look reasonable now that I'm looking at it again. So I don't need this. Is it adding? No, it shouldn't have itself. So alright, let's go through we'll do this. Print different source. Print destination. So it's not like it's somehow got itself again. Right. So wait, let's make sure my numbers going in are right. So again, oh yeah, that's what I was doing. I was looking up pretty print. And I was gonna say, hey Pylint, so that I notice that. So how does pretty print work? Import pretty print. Oh boy. I don't even need that hey Pylint because it's gonna yell at me for having this in the global scope. And then I can just say pp.pprint cities. Now, do those match what I expected? Belfast to Dublin, 141. Belfast to London, 518. Dublin to Belfast, 141. Yeah, so this looks good. I'm confident I'm getting the right data. Oh, here we go. Mapping distance to every city, every step in the route. Oh. Oh. You're right. This isn't going to work at all. Yeah, good call. Yeah. Now I'm just trying to think of how I'm going to not overrun it. Whoop. So we're gonna say, just give me a tuple right now. I don't want to mess around with a tuple. We're gonna make it a list. Source in route. So now I want to get everything except the last one. So let's do test equals tset equals 1, 2, 3. Tset. Is it 1? No, that's the opposite. That's what I wanted. Remember, kids, you don't need to remember how to do it. You need to remember how to do it. Okay, this makes a whole lot more sense. So we're gonna do length plus equals cities source route. Oh wait, we need to track. We actually need to know what number we're on. There's a trick to do this. There's a trick to do this in Python. Yeah. Oh, that's a good way to do this. Loop counter. Enumerate. Root position. It's funny. I want to call it like no, range is a different thing. This is complete nonsense. Let's read it. What am I trying to do? What I'm trying to do is for the city that we're on, I want to add the distance to the next city in our list, which should be root pos plus 1. Let me just run it. Yeah, that's right. Could I do that without it being a list? I wonder. I can. Great. Okay. Alright, so let's do it. I'm going to fire it up with the real input with my fingers on the Control C in case it takes more than a second or two. Oh, let's not print it anymore. And we also get rid of this so I don't forget while I'm here. Alright. Bam! This calls from a drink from the Trixie glass. Now let's see how Topaz has anticipated my solution and ruined it. First things first. Let's make sure it's Is there anything I want to clean up while I'm in here because I'm never coming back. I think that works just fine. Pretty respectable. I give this one a B+. Because I didn't have to use recursion. Let's remove that test input while I'm in here. Because I forgot yesterday. We're going to copy that to... Now what? Longest distance. Well, that should be no big deal. What's the dumb name for this? Alright! Then we share it. And you guys go tweet about it or like it or whatever. So let's go... Oh, hang on. We might not be done, guys. We might not be done. Pylint. That beast. No, reports equals no! Dash reports. Too many local variables. Shit, guys. We need to get rid of a local variable. We only need to get rid of one. Who's gonna go? I think we can do... We'll recycle start and hope it doesn't yell at us. Oh, also I want to put in the assertion. What? Oh, did I write? This is the second one. Okay, fine. Okay, so that's good. And let's make sure we got our solution. We're gonna do still like that? Good. So we're gonna go open up that one and that one. And we're gonna change source to start, because this is how you do good development, is you follow the arbitrary rules, regardless of clarity. Good, good, good. I think I'm just gonna assume that was right because I didn't change anything else. Good, 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 good. Alright. Git add day 09, git commit complete day 9. It's always fun to git push origin master. That's my GitHub. If you could figure out my password by listening to my keyboard, I'll be impressed. And that, yeah. Well, it's really encouraging me to make a smaller function, but you are correct. That is how you do a Advent of Code in like less than an hour. So that's pretty good. In fact, what's the official count? Oh, it says 16 minutes because it dropped, so that doesn't count. So I'm going to shut this all down, take a short break of like 5-10 minutes. I'm going to come back and play some Undertale, because I got to beat Undertale before I can listen to the Giant Bomb Game of the Year podcast, which come out at Christmas. For anyone who's going to stick around, be aware that I don't watch the chat for streaming Undertale, just because I hear it's got a lot of spoilers and people on the internet are mean. So you can feel free to watch me mess around with it, but I'm not going to be all that responsive. If you really want to get my attention, chances are someone I know might be in the chat, so maybe you can convince them to relay a message. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time. I'll probably do this again tomorrow, probably at a similar time.